Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming firmware and power. Do this now so you avoid surprises. Plug the 12V supply into the Lightkeeper Pro and make sure polarity is correct. Once powered, the status LED should light. Next, connect the LED strip data to the data/in terminal and tie grounds together. If you have multiple power injection points, plan them before powering up. Once done, open the Lightkeeper Pro app on your device to establish the control link and proceed to configuration. You now configure channels and build patterns. Start by assigning channels to physical LED segments and labeling them so you know what each controls. Use the app to set timing parameters, step, fade, and hold in milliseconds, because precise timing prevents flicker and sync issues. Once parameters are set, run a live preview to watch transitions and modify curves. Make sure to calibrate brightness and color balance per channel. That avoids blown-out whites and keeps colors consistent across the run. You finish by saving your profile to the Lightkeeper Pro's internal memory and exporting a backup to your device. This prevents loss after power cycles. Deploy the sequence and test it at the final operating voltage while monitoring temperature and connectors for any overheating. If something goes wrong, try a targeted troubleshooting step. Check for flicker by verifying common ground and adding power injection every recommended distance. Then update firmware if anomalies persist. Once stable, schedule period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.